Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We are here. We are ready to go. And if you guys see like some cobwebs or paint in my hair, I was helping my brother paint his basement this afternoon. That's why I'm a little bit late, but better late than never. We got Bender first in the chat. Bender, Giovanni, Bender, Old Rounder, Bender, Giovanni, Old Rounder, Giovanni, Bender, Gary. Herline. Herline? Is that what we got? Herline. We got Giovanni, Bobcat, bro. Giovanni, Gary, Giovanni, Bobcat, Giovanni, Old Rounder, Bender. All of you guys. So glad to have you in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what's going on today. Dang, dude. 504 on AMC. 504 close on AMC. All-time low of 503 hit today. That is wildly low. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 966 points per coin right now. It is up 1.05% on the day today. GameStop sitting at 1516 at the close, down 4%. Bitcoin, man. Bitcoin is trying its best, but it is still channeling where it's been all afternoon long now. Sitting between 46.9 and 46.6. All afternoon, all morning long. Bitcoin really looking for direction, and Bitcoin looking for that ETF approval, denial, delay, some sort of ETF news. The NASDAQ finished above even after a nice little, I guess, into the close rally here. Dogecoin sitting at 7.8 cents. Ethereum sitting at $2,262. Shib sitting at 967 points per coin. Bitcoin sitting at $46,815. The SPY sitting at 473. 405 on the QQQ. Mullen, 1432. Mullen up 10% today. Sundial sitting at $1.57. Netflix, 482. Highcroft Mining, 269. MPW, 267. 8% gain on MPW today. Tesla sitting at 234. Amazon 151 and 185, down just slightly on Apple, but a nice little rally into the close there, which of course helped the QQQ bounce as well. 9.3 billion. Bobcat, bro, let's check it out, man. 9.3 billion burn 30 minutes ago. I assume we're talking about Shiba Inu coin. Let's try and check that out there. We need this, and then we need... Am I up on Shib Burn's website? No, I am not. Shib Burn. Shibarium. Let's see what we got. All right, we are still accumulating absolutely nothing per block. We're sitting on 10 zeros and a 3, 10 zeros and a 3, 10 zeros and a 3, 10 zeros and a 2.9, which means that we're going to need over 10 billion, it might even be 100 billion, I don't know, 10 to 100 billion blocks, not transactions, to accumulate $2.60 in burns. Shibarium will no longer burn anything. So we got to come back out here, but let's see if we actually have the... I think this one. I think this is the page we want here. Sure enough, 41 minutes ago. All right, we got 9,351,444,446 Shiba Inu coin sent to the burn wallet. Very, very nice to see. 9.3 billion destroyed forever. Obviously, we know that that's going to be the Shibarium burn there. That brings us... That's 4 burns, right? That's 4 burns at roughly $90,000 a piece. $360,000 plus that 75, $435,000. So that's roughly $435,000, or roughly half of everything that they've accumulated at the current levels. Now I say at the current levels because this number used to be $1.2 million. All right, and they took that money off of Shibarium when that number was $1.2 million. So they owe us, all right? They owe us roughly $800,000 to $900,000 in burns. I can't help, man. Their bone is going down right now. They don't have to keep it in bone. But they owe us a lot of money in burn still. They've burnt roughly half of what they should be burning here. And they still owe us another, I would say, $400,000. Close to it. Close to $400,000 in burns. Depending on how they're going to end up doing this here, it could be a little less if they're really, not moving that money around and it's just sitting there. I get it. It is Bone. They're the ones that should have been burning it when Bone was sitting at, 90 cents a coin. Now Bone is down 33% from those levels and sitting at 60 cents a coin. So, yeah, it's like $300,000 to $400,000 that they owe us in burn still. But good to see that we got that burn right there. Absolutely, man. All right, let's see here. Still can't claim my tokens for that Bitcoin ETF. Bender, I've seen them a lot more active on Twitter. See what's going on, because I've seen these guys a lot more active on Twitter right now. Clay, what do you think will happen with Shiba? The ETF is approved. Giovanni. It's so tough. My personal opinion, and I could be completely wrong on this, my personal opinion is that the ETF gets approved, okay? On the approval, there's just like, well, that right there, actually. They probably just got news. This is what we were just about to talk about here. The ETF 2 minutes ago probably could have just gotten approved. So I would expect a spike up, and I'm going to expect a dump off afterwards. Literally just getting ready to say this. I would expect a spike up in Bitcoin. I'm going to go out to my Twitter since I'm logged in here. You guys go see if an ETF got approved, because this looks exactly like what I would expect. Ripping up, okay? Maybe touching 48, 49, 50,000, but then prepare for traders to take their profits. I'm not logged into Twitter on the computer here. I obviously am logged into Twitter here. So I would imagine on candles like that, you're seeing ETFs approved. Let's see. 4 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours, 4 hours. All right, I don't see anything right this second. I'm going to jump out to Google real quick and see if we got anything. All right. 3 hours, 5 hours, 5 hours, 2 hours, 4 hours, 1 hour, 59 minutes. Come on, man. 4 hours, 7 hours. What are these guys doing? This is going to be old news here in a second. There's no way that's just a normal spike up. That's got to be on news. What's up, Clay Bro? Man, got some tornado weather here. Either or. What's up with Crow? Yeah, Sean, we'll check that out in 2 seconds, man. Let's figure out what's going on. Let's figure out what's going on with Bitcoin here. Gary's saying they approved all 11 5 hours ago. Dude, I don't know if 5 hours ago would be translating into price action right this second, but this is a $1,000 5-minute candle here. This is a $1,000 5-minute candle that you. I'm putting in. This is a 5-minute chart that you see on the bottom left. So I'm gonna put a 5-minute chart on Shib so you guys can kind of see the difference here. Ripping from 46.7 up to 48,000 and coming back down. It sure did approve. It is approved. Where are you guys seeing it? Srinivasulo, where are you guys seeing that it's approved at? Just so I can bring it up here. And I would be very, very careful right now. If you guys are playing any leverage trades, just watch out. This volatility is getting wild here. All right? And I honestly, I think it could rip up to 50,000. Wall Street Journal. All right, let's see what I got here. That's the latest information I got, man. It is like 4 or 5 hours ago, but that doesn't make any sense. That would have been approved 4 or 5 hours ago because, this action right now. 5 hours ago, Gary, I'm seeing from the Wall Street Journal, SEC's decision on Bitcoin ETFs could go a few different ways. Hey, somebody hit me in the Discord. Somebody put it in the supporters Discord if you got a link right there. Because I'm literally not seeing anything show up that would be recent. Which, I mean, obviously I know you got the news right here. You wouldn't be seeing candles like that. CoinMarketCap doesn't show the same chart. You know what? Let me see what KuCoin's showing, Giovanni. Let me see what KuCoin's showing. I don't imagine that that's a glitch in Webull there, but it could be. So let me pull this up and see what we got going on. Let's see here, guys. I'm going to pull up 5-minute on KuCoin. KuCoin is showing me the same chart there. All right, KuCoin is showing me the same chart. So watch out. This is starting to fall off the map now. All right, starting to fall off the map. This is exactly what we were talking about, guys. This is exactly what we were talking about. The volatility is crazy right now. Crap, dude. I don't know if I should just release. I got a video tonight that was supposed to be about a potential ETF approval. And now it's not. I don't know if I should release that video right now just to get it out there, or... Crap. It's basically going to null that video. Man. Apparently to start trading this Thursday. Yeah, I believe that, man. Man, this is crazy. This is crazy that they... I honestly, I didn't think they were going to approve it this quick. Oh, man, what should I do with that video? I didn't want to make... I technically could just make another one. Yeah, listen, hold on. I'm going to release a video real quick. That video is going to be old news in a minute, so... I'm just going to post this video on a potential approval, and then I'm going to make another one after the live stream real quick here. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I'm going to post this video, and I'll just make another one for 7, even if it's a shorter one. All right. No, just publish. Alright. Alright, I'll make that public. And then I'll do another one on the news. Alright. That video's out. Don't go watch it just yet. Stay in the live stream with us. Let's see here. SEC posted it as well. Khalid's saying the SEC posted it on Twitter. Because this is what we got, guys. You're seeing the Webull chart right there. Webull chart confirmed by the KuCoin chart right here. That is the Bitcoin action that we got going on. Polymarket is trading as if 100% approval. Can't find any source, though. Yeah, dude. I don't have any news articles just yet, but that's what we got. ETF approved, all of them. JB, man, where are you seeing it? Where are you guys seeing this? I got to pull it up because I'm going to have to do a video on it since that video I just released was going to be old news in a minute here since the approval already happened. Why don't you talk about other YouTuber that covers Shib and let them know to promote your Amazon link and that... Well, Jose, I mean... It could. Here's the thing, though, man. I know all these guys got a lot of stuff going on their own. I don't know if they would necessarily want to... promote me. You know what I mean? Like some people are weird with it. Some people don't view it as like a collaboration or a benefit. They view other YouTubers as competition, right? And they think, well, if you care about Clay Bro, you don't care about me. They don't realize that you can't just watch 2 videos in a day. You watch one of my videos and watch one of their videos. So, I don't know. I don't want to, force anybody or pressure anybody to talk about me or promote something that I'm promoting there, because a lot of them do view it as a level of competition, man. So, that's kind of why, but I agree. If more people would get that link out there, dude, we could be selling thousands of dollars or 10,000s or one day millions of dollars worth of stuff on Amazon and burning an obscene amount of Shiba Inu coin. All right, let's see. ETF approved all of them. Link, please. Ali, yes. I'm at work. Did I hear ETF? Yes. Bitcoin ETF is approved, Dark Bro. Bitcoin ETF is apparently approved. I have not seen the news article yet. I don't see anything out here on Google that has been released within the last minutes. Spot Bitcoin ETF incoming outcomes. Investors may see the SEC this week. Yeah. 30 minutes ago, 5 hours ago, 4 hours ago. Where the heck are these newer posts, man? SEC Twitter. 23 hours ago. Let's see what we got. Oh, boy. All right, hold on, guys. Let's see what we do have here, because this is a little weird, right? This guy saying this was just briefly posted on the SEC's Twitter account and then taken down. Oh, it's just a picture. Who's this guy? SEC tweets. SEC tweets what? SEC hasn't tweeted anything, man. All right, well, hold on here. I don't know what's going on with my Twitter account here on Google. But, all right, the street just posted it about 5 minutes ago. Gary, thank you very much for the super chat. Gary, absolutely appreciate it. Chris, throwing a green name out there. Chris, thank you very much for the green name. Polka Liddy, grabbing that green name. Guys, I do not know what is going on. The SEC has tweeted. I don't know why it's not pulling up on my computer here so that I can't show you guys, but the SEC has tweeted. The SEC just said, today, the SEC grants approval for Bitcoin ETFs for listings on all registered national security exchanges. The approved Bitcoin ETFs will be subject to ongoing surveillance and compliance measures to ensure continued investor protection. 22,000 retweets already, and it's going to get one from me as well. So, let's see, quote tweet. All right, so the Bitcoin ETF is approved, guys. The Bitcoin ETF. CNBC just had it on TV, all approved. Yes, it is approved, guys. And then 6 hours ago, the SEC tweeting again. But in the last, 13 minutes, today the SEC grants approval for Bitcoin ETFs for listings on all registered national security exchanges. The approved Bitcoin ETFs will be subject to ongoing surveillance and compliance measures to ensure continued investor protection. And right now, this is exactly what we were talking about. It's not pulling up on here. I don't know why. It's probably because I'm not logged in, so that's basically useless. But you guys got to look at the graph, right? Bitcoin is falling off hard right now. This is and this is a 5-minute graph. This is that buy the rumor, sell the news event that we were talking about. All right, buy the rumor, sell the news. All of the speculation drove Bitcoin higher and higher and higher. Now people are left thinking, well, what's next? Now we have to wait for the money to flow in. Now the news is here and they're selling off. So you got a knee-jerk reaction that took you from 46 to 48,000. decent move up. But now people are taking their profits. People are thinking, oh, crap, dude. Well, what do we got? We don't have any news on the horizon now. There's nothing out there. And that's what we got, man, a decent sell-off taking place. I don't know how far Bitcoin is going to come back down, okay? I don't know if it's going to come back all the way down to 40,000, if it's going to come back down to 30,000 or what. Yes, that's a little fuddy to say 30,000, but we got a lot of profit taking place at the moment on that news. Now we're going to watch the 5-minute candle. The 5-minute candle is going to be a little bit better to handle that volatility right there, but you do have to keep up on that. Well, back to work. Dark bro, man, enjoy it right there. It is approved. Check 25. It is approved. Yes, man. Quit your job, you're a crypto millionaire now. That would be nice if Dark Bro could quit his job if he was a crypto millionaire right now. I would like that. See everybody tomorrow. Dark Bro, enjoy it, man. Jose, yes, yes, yes. Sell Bitcoin for all coins. Ali, man. Ali. People dumping off of Bitcoin right now. Might be time to get ready for this swing. I truly think that this buy the rumor, sell the news type of event may be playing out here. Okay, this could just be a couple knee-jerk reactions, but it seems as though people are taking profits on that news there. This is what we were discussing this entire time. I wish more people were, man, I wish I would have got that video out there talking about the ETF approvals earlier, but I'm going to have to summarize it, I guess, in tonight's video. But yeah, man, we got a lot of volatility going on right now, so you got to be careful with everything that's happening. If you shorted on margin, you should be loaded right now. Yeah, that is true. If you guys were playing on margin, if you were betting on margin, you're not playing with volatility like this. If you guys had any leverage positions on Bitcoin, you're doing very well right now if you're playing to the downside. If you're playing to the upside, you're probably getting wiped, and wiped very quickly there. Yo, bro. Bolts, what's going on, bros? Air lane. Boom, baby. Oh, yes. Full margin short. Patrick, dude. Be careful. If you guys are on a full margin short, or if you're thinking about picking up a full margin short right now, please be careful. This could turn around so quick, dude. And this purple line could go from 45,600 back up to 48,000 in a matter of seconds. All right? You could do very well, and it could drop from 45.8. I mean, you're seeing $200 ticks here. It could drop from 45.8 all the way down to 44.8 in a matter of seconds as well. So please just be very careful with Bitcoin. Right now, seems as though it might try to come back up a little bit, as it was at 45.6 a second ago, 45.9 at the moment. Volatility in Bitcoin is there. Shib? No. Ethereum? Yeah, volatile, but not doing as bad as Bitcoin. Dogecoin kind of just sitting pretty still right now. Bitcoin is bearing the brunt of the volatility, sitting at $46,081 at the moment. As you can see on the minute chart trying to bounce back up here. People coming in and buying already. We're going to watch the 5-minute chart to handle this volatility a little bit better. But definitely keep your eyes on what's going on. Bitcoin dump, but memes are pumping. Ali, man, and hopefully they keep on doing so. 20,000 incoming. Ripple effect. If Bitcoin drops to 20,000, I am ready. I am ready to grab. I don't think that it's going to go all the way to 20, especially today, but that would be wild if it did, man. Sell Bitcoin ETF. Hey, Giovanni, man, you know what? Let's pull that up real quick. This might be that knee-jerk reaction, dude. You might want to take some profit in it. Obviously, I can't tell you to sell or not to sell, but let's look and see if it's bouncing around as well, man. Bitcoin ETF. Okay, let's see if it's bouncing around as well. At least on this chart that I'm seeing here, it is okay at the moment. Not getting nearly the attention that Bitcoin seems to be getting, but it does seem to be okay at the moment. This could be the epitome of its gains. This is what it's been looking for, and I believe that's why you're seeing the volatility and the profit taking in Bitcoin is, because this is the news that people were waiting for. Now their mentality becomes, well, what's next? We just got this news. Now are we just supposed to sit around and wait for billions of dollars to flow into the market? So, what? I want to see what some of these... What's Solana doing? Is Solana falling pretty hard too? Nah, it's volatile, but it's not. I mean, it's showing its knee-jerk reaction as well. pumping up to 101, back down to 98 right now. So not doing too bad on Solana there. But you know what? Bitcoin might just steady out right here. Bitcoin might just steady out at 46,000, and we might have a new floor rate. Never going to buy a signal on Bitcoin's trading system during the last week, so this was kind of expected. Old rounder. Well, very good, man. If they're not telling you to buy because of the volatility, they may have saved you a lot of trouble here. I'm watching it. Ripple effect. Let's go. Ripple. Dude, if it goes down to 20,000, yeah, it's time to grab. BlackRock is selling. Oh my gosh, dude. Could you imagine if BlackRock was loading up all week just to dump on the news? Oh boy, dude. Saw on Discord that the tweet about approval of the ETF was because of an account hack. Oh, well, how to construction, man. I don't know if that's the case or not, all right? That would be absolutely, man, my hair is wild. That would be absolutely wild if somebody hacked the SEC's account and said that it's been approved. I think very quickly they would be able to make an announcement if that was the case. And I don't see any updates on their Twitter account. I don't see any updates on their Twitter account. 21 minutes ago, they still got that tweet up there. So, yeah, I don't know if it would have been a hack or not, man. Which Discord would you have seen that in? Not my Discord, right? Bro, BlackRock is selling. They're a $1 trillion company. And they might be. Ripple effect. They might be selling. I just think it's wild that they were buying up all week to, I think they had like $10 million or $10 billion that they were seeding their Bitcoin ETF with. And now we got the sell-offs ensuing. So what is this? $45,800 right now. $45,800 on Bitcoin after touching 48,000 here. 47,993. Bitcoin is on its way back down as the buy the rumor, sell the news is playing out at the moment. So $45,784. Purple lines, man, you know, they're a little slower than where they were just a minute ago, but very volatile nonetheless. So these candles are definitely bouncing. Bitcoin is trying to make its way back up on the approval news right now. But, yeah, it's the direction is not guaranteed. Let's put it that way. Traders are really trying to figure out what is going on. Let's see. Yeah, but where are you checking? Where are you checking X at, Johnny? Where are you checking X at? Man, we got so many Johnnies in here. Yeah, but where are they saying it's not true? I'm on the SEC's page right now. Who's saying it's not true? Gary. All right, hold on. This dude isn't. Oh my god, dude. Oh my goodness. All right, hold on. I gotta retweet this one now. These people are wild, man. Oh my gosh. Dude, this is a clown show, man. This is a clown show. Okay, so 9 minutes ago, guys, I'm going to read it. It's hard to read backwards. I get it. This is Gary Gensler's Twitter account. You can pull it up if you would like. I just retweeted it so you could also see it. The SEC Twitter account was compromised and an unauthorized tweet was posted. The SEC has not approved the listing and trading of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded products. Okay, let me tell you this, though. If this idiot comes out now and approves these ETFs, if this guy comes out and approves these ETFs right now, why? Why would he even tweet that right there? He is manipulating the market if they do come out and approve these ETFs. I can almost guarantee you that they're not going to approve these ETFs now. I can almost guarantee you. If he said that, knowing full well that they're going to be approved, I will personally, if there's a lawyer in here, I'll personally hire a lawyer to sue Gary Gensler for market manipulation if the SEC comes out in the next 24 hours and approves these ETFs. Because he is tanking the market with that tweet right there saying that the SEC's Twitter account was compromised. Oh, boy. He's getting in. Yep, Gary came in. He got his buy right here. And now the SEC is going to come out and approve it, and Bitcoin's going to rip higher. Gary Gensler getting one little last-minute laugh as this dude is manipulating the market like I've never seen before. Oh, my gosh. No, what is your name? El Wahid Badre. What a name, dude. No, I'm actually not losing money on Bitcoin. I don't have any, well, theoretically, I would have lost a little bit of money, yes, from the top of that green candle to the bottom of that purple one there. But I don't have any Bitcoin, like, in the current price range, so I'm not worried at all about it. Oh, boy, bro, what is happening? The SEC account got hacked? Yeah, Dark Bro, man. Gary forgot that he's supposed to keep that password a secret. This dude is wild. Bitcoin really is going to 20,000 now. Bitcoin really is going. Next, Gary Gensler is going to tweet out, what is Bitcoin? That's the next tweet that I see coming from Gary Gensler's account, is what is Bitcoin? Oh, my gosh, dude. Last dip before the rip. Over-the-counter whale, man. You might be right. This dude might be coming out there and tweeting out that the ETF approval was fake news so that he can go in and get one last buy, and then this clown can come in at 5 o'clock tonight, approve everything, and then he rips on one last dip, man. My gosh. I think Gary Gensler's account is the one that's compromised. El Wahid, I didn't even think of that, man. I didn't even think of that. If Gary Gensler's account is actually the one that was compromised, that would be dead hilarious, because then I'd have to go out and retweet another one. Oh, my. El Wahid, I hope whoever hacked the SEC's account immediately tweets out, no, Gary Gensler's account is the one that's hacked. The ETFs really are approved. Oh, gosh. Hopefully these hackers have a sense of humor, because El Wahid, that would be hilarious. That would be hilarious if the SEC account, being hacked or not, came out and said, no, Gary's the one that's hacked. We promise they're approved right now. And everybody's sitting here just cracking up at what's going on. Oh, jeez. That would make my day, dude. That would make my day. Did they approve a spot ETF? Mon. Truly, nobody knows, man. Nobody knows, right? We don't know if the SEC's been hacked. We don't know if Gary's been hacked. We don't know if anybody's been hacked right now. Oh, my gosh. Gary's brain might be compromised, man. I just hope Shib goes up tomorrow. Shiba Inu coin at least staying steady right now. At least it's staying steady. I don't like people playing with my money. Yeah, Gary, I don't like people playing with my money either. But it is kind of funny what he just said there, that the SEC could tweet out, no, Gary's account has been hacked. Gary's password probably was password, roulette wheel. That was probably the first thing that he chose, and he never changed it. Clicking to answer the question now, what will happen to Shiba if ETFs are approved? Yes, I think. Depending on a real approval or not, Giovanni, it should look something like this right here. It should look so. But see, Shiba Inu coin is just chilling because Shib's like, I don't know if this is really approved or not. Ethereum, I don't know. Ethereum thinks it might be a legitimate approval here. Ethereum going up. But Bitcoin sitting at 46,269 as these government officials try to get their passwords all in check at the moment. All carefully planned by Gary. Frick juice? Yes, man. Gary going in there and buying that little $44,000 dip before after he announces that the SEC's account has been hacked. Oh my goodness. Gary is the money god. He is, man. Hey, Gary, remind me to change the combination on my luggage. Do it, dude. I posted like 10 minutes ago. Jose, yeah. So Gary, 9. I'm going to refresh my page here. But Gary Gensler, 15 minutes ago, said that the SEC's Twitter account was compromised and an unauthorized tweet was posted. The SEC has not approved the listing and trading of spot Bitcoin ETFs. Let me see here. SEC Gov here. Now we got to go over to their Twitter account. 30 minutes. Oh, they already got that down. Oh, wow. They already took that. So you're not even going to be able to. I didn't screenshot it. So if you guys screenshotted it, or if you guys screenshot it, send it to me in the Discord or the DM there. They already took that tweet down. So, let's see. Where in the world? I did tweet that out. Where? How is that tweet still available? All right, well, I'm going to screenshot it right there, but the tweet's right there. They've already taken it down, though. Yeah. So when you go to click on that tweet, post has been deleted. So they already got it down off the SEC's Twitter account. So it seems as though Gary's account might not be the fake news account, darn it. Gary's account might be the real account there. And they've already deleted that Twitter account, or that Twitter post. How do you say? You know what? Over the counter, Will, I actually don't know if you can unless you're in the supporters chat, man. That's my bad. I did get a screenshot of the one that the SEC had right there. You might have to be in the supporters chat in order to send pictures. We had some dude that was sending not so good pictures in the Discord, so I don't think everybody can send pictures in the Discord. Let's see. Bindin running the X account. Yeah, Bindin might be running the X account there. Calibro screenshot the SEC's announcement 15 minutes ago. Suzuki, good deal. I got it, but they already took it down too. Let's see. That's time to buy. If it goes down, we buy a Bitcoin. Jose, yes, man, yes. $20,000 Bitcoin income. What a circus, Brian. I'm telling you, it's an absolute circus, dude. It's an absolute circus with the SEC getting. I will tell you this now, though. If Gary came out and said that it's not approved, I'm telling you right now, I truly think that Bitcoin, there's no way that this speculation could continue on now about Bitcoin approving or the SEC approving a Bitcoin ETF. There's no way that Gary is going to come out and say that that announcement was fake and then a half hour later make a real announcement. I would be very, very cautious about that right now, guys. That would be very. I think that it would be. Oh, you guys can. I really was. You guys can see the paint. I really was painting in my brother's basement. If Gary comes out in like a half hour from now and says the ETF is approved after like deleting that tweet and letting the world know that his Twitter account was compromised, that is messed up, man. That is messed up. Where are we going here? Got to get back to work again. Dark Row, thank you very much for being in here. Enjoy your work. Bonk loves Gary. Well, I hope Gary loves Bonk. So tomorrow, Bitcoin can drop to 20,000. Time to buy more Polygon. Claudio, I highly, 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 highly doubt. I don't think that Bitcoin will drop to 20,000 tomorrow. Okay, but I do find it very strange that the SEC is coming out and saying, no, we did not approve them if they didn't have plans on approving them today. So I would be very, very cautious about that. I think Gary would be a dirty little manipulator if he came out, caused Bitcoin to drop, just to come out tonight or tomorrow and approve these ETFs and then see Bitcoin rip up higher. So I would just be a little bit cautious about what's going on now. I truly don't know if it's time to buy anything at the moment. All right? I truly don't know. All right, sweet. J-Bones got the screenshots in the Discord right there, and from both the SEC and from Gary Gensler. Good deal, man. Thank you very much for posting those in the Discord. Bonk does not care. Bonk doesn't care about anything, does it? It was probably approved and was saying that tweet, or was saving that tweet for tomorrow and accidentally pressed send. Giovanni, that's a possibility, man. That is a possibility. But I find it very strange that he would have thrown their marketer under the bus if the kid running the Twitter account, if he stated and claimed that the approval was not there and the Twitter account was compromised, right? It is a possibility, but I don't know. I really can't imagine that they're going to come out and just approve them in the next 24 hours after saying that they are not approved. Like, that to me would be wild, knowing full well that Gary Gensler coming out and saying that they are not approved is going to cause the market to drop off. I mean, he knows that's going to happen. And if he does that within 24 hours of approving them, I mean, dude, that's about the worst market manipulation that I've ever seen. Who's going to go after him? He's not going to go after himself. Yeah, man. Wild. Shib, yes, Chris, I saw that as well. So I'll pull that up real quick just so you guys can see it. There was a 9.3 billion Shib burn. Let's see. I got to come down here. A 9.3 billion Shib burn. What? Where did I? This one. Yeah, 9.35 billion Shiba Inu coin burned an hour ago. By my calculations, they still owe us between 300,000 and 400,000, if not even more than that. Why? They had $1.2 million accumulated. Now, I know they made the decision. I'm not going to give an adjective in there. I know they made the decision to just hold that in Bone, and Bone is dumped off from like 99 cents down to 60 cents in price. So the total accumulated now is only $800,000 here. $878,000 accumulated, and they've burned a little over $400,000. So they still owe us, at a minimum, like $200,000. At a maximum, I think they owe us about another $500,000 in burns right there. So we're gonna have to see how it plays out, man. But yeah, we did get one more Shiba Inu coin burn. So is the approval fake? Mon, it does seem as though, yes, the approval is fake. And in all sincerity, if Gary Gensler's coming out there and saying, no, we did not approve it, to me, instead of just letting that news out and instead of manipulating the market to the downside, I think that they should have just made the announcement and let it roll that way if they truly planned on approving the ETF. Right now, the volatility is slowing back down a little bit. Bitcoin sitting here at $45,900 and maybe setting up a new little level of support in the 45.5 range. So we'll see how it plays out right now. But volatility may be subsiding a little bit here on this 5-minute chart as we go from 48,000 down to 44,000 and back up to almost 46,000 here. So watching Bitcoin in the bottom left and Shiba Inu coin in the top right now. BlackRock sent a hacker to make that tweet so they could buy a little more to Shiba. Somebody sent somebody, Wrecking Force. Somebody sent somebody, man. I'm over at 6,000%. Holy smoke. Caesar over 6,000% gains on Troll here. Let's see if we can pull up Troll real quick. I don't know which one it is. There's like 10 trolls. Caesar, which one is it, man? Troll coin, troll face, troll face. Doubt it's this one. Oh, man. Yikes, dude. Yeah, not bad at all, man. Not bad at all. Troll absolutely ripping, guys. Yeah. Troll absolutely ripping, man. Holy smokes. Caesar, amazing job on that one, man. Must tweeted Chief Troll Officer last night, and since then it's almost burned 2 zeros. Oh my gosh, dude. Caesar, congratulations, and don't think that that's going to sustain, man, all right? Don't be afraid to take some profits, because if it's off an Elon Musk tweet, don't expect him to all of a sudden tweet every day about trolls, okay? Take advantage of that. Take advantage of that big time, man. Maybe they haven't decided yet. Cute kittens. If they were letting it come down to the wire and they truly haven't decided, knowing that the deadline is tomorrow, I would be a little concerned. If they truly haven't made a decision, I would be concerned. If the deadline's tomorrow and they're sitting there discussing it right now and they're just going to flip a coin before the end of day tomorrow, I would be wondering what the heck is going on here, man. Should I buy Bitcoin? Please answer, guys. Damien, man, right now, okay, there's a little bit more, risk involved with buying Bitcoin. It seems as though Gary Gensler doesn't want people to know either it's not approved or it's approved, because he said, no, we have not approved those ETFs. No, we have not approved those ETFs. So if you are thinking about buying it, just know that the current price action and the current news surrounding it adds a little bit more risk to the table than we've seen over the last couple of weeks here. Bonk Town Tread broken all in now. Robert, man, let's get started. Bonk to double. We got the Bonk boys in here. Where burns? Jose, if you're talking about my burns, I'm waiting on Coinbase to light up. I got 26 point something million Shib in Coinbase. As soon as I'm able to withdraw it off. I did not realize that Coinbase doesn't let you. I use crypto.com, so I didn't know that Coinbase doesn't let you withdraw right away. So as soon as Coinbase lets me withdraw, I'm ready to send it over. I've already gone out. I've bought the 26 million. I'm going to send 25 million Shib to the burn wallet. If you're talking about the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem team burns, we actually just saw a burn come across an hour ago for 9.35 billion Shiba Inu coin. So, yeah, dude, burns are happening, man. Let's see. 10x my initial investment and took it out. 30x had I kept it in. Oh, my gosh, dude. Caesar. Seriously, man. Seriously. I'm glad you took that out. Do you still have anything in there? Are you letting any of it ride or what? Because dead serious, it's still a very small coin. It's still a very small $5 million coin, right? It's still very, very small. But phenomenal that it took off like that and you had some in that you could pull out there. That's awesome, man. Bonk up 60% in the last 24 hours. Let's go. Robert looking good on Bonk, man. With Shib reaching an all-time high this year, Jose, I would love for Shiba Inu coin to reach an all-time high this year, but it's going to be heavily dependent on what the market does, all right? If Bitcoin does not get an ETF approved and everybody turns bearish again, I'm going to say no. Shiba Inu coin's not going to hit an all-time high this year. If Bitcoin ETFs do get approved, if you're starting to see Ethereum and XRP ETFs get approved, all of a sudden you're seeing, other altcoins jump in. Polygon, Cardano, and so on get ETFs. Meme coin ETFs are out there. Dude, you're going to see trillions of dollars in fresh money flowing into the cryptocurrency market. And I would say, yes, it's an absolute possibility in that case to see Shiba Inu coin and every other coin hitting all-time highs. So nobody knows what's going to happen tomorrow. We don't know if we're going to wake up and Bitcoin's going to be at 30,000 or if Bitcoin's going to be at 50,000. But what I do know is the rest of the market usually does depend on what's happening with Bitcoin. But if the ETF gets approved, Bitcoin will rise, right? So isn't it better to buy or no? And what happens if it doesn't get approved? I'm new in crypto world and in trying to understand. Okay, so Damien, yes, over the long term, okay? If a Bitcoin ETF gets approved, over the long term, yes, that will result in a price increase. That will result in a higher price. Why? You're going to have a lot more money flowing in. Because when these people that are only willing to invest in the stock market, when they go buy that ETF, what the ETF is supposed to do, what BlackRock and Vanguard and these other companies are supposed to do, they're supposed to go and collateralize that ETF with actual Bitcoin. So they take that money and they go out there and they buy actual Bitcoin to make sure they have the collateral on hand to, I don't know what the other synonym for collateralize would be, but collateralize that ETF position. So if people buy the ETF, they're essentially buying Bitcoin. Now, the initial reaction, however, might not make sense. It might look just like that graph right there. Bitcoin comes down in value because speculative traders are saying, well, what's next? We were waiting for the ETF approval. That drove the price higher. And now that we finally have it, we don't have any news on the horizon. So they go in and they take profits. If they go in and they take profits, you're going to see Bitcoin drop a little lower. And then it's going to take time for all the new money to flow in and increase the price of Bitcoin again. So I do think that you're on the right track. If the ETF does get approved, it's going to open the doors for a lot more money. But the initial reaction is what, a lot of people are worried about buying right this second for. And that's where you're going to have to make your own decision, though. Look at Tony! 28 months of bro, man. Loving it. SEC hack tweet was absolute BS. This was strictly a liquidation move. Just rich people trying to get richer. Just hold and buy the dip. Look at Tony, man. I don't know if you were in here 20 minutes ago, but we agree. We agree, man. We agree that the SEC and Gary Gensler out there are coming in, manipulating the market so that we get a little bit of a decrease in Bitcoin here, and they can grease their pockets a little bit more and make even more money off the situation. Luca Tony, thank you very much for keeping that green name, man, for 28 months. I love it. Well, you better buy Celestia under 15 bucks. Giovanni, where do you have Celestia at? Where do you have Celestia? Oh boy, where's it at, dude? $14.99. It's $15.03. This dude tries. Yeah, literally, he says under 15 bucks. Look at the chart right there. $14.99. It says. He says under 15. It's $14.99, man. Oh, Celestia is coming down right alongside of Bitcoin, though. Where do you have Celestia, though? Where are you buying that at? Good afternoon, John. Good afternoon to you. Look, Tony, that's true because of how they gain access so quick after being... Yeah, exactly. Jose, man. It's a fake news tweet if you ask me. I don't like Satoshi or Lucy. Well, listen. As humans, they might be fine, Jose. I don't know. I truly don't think that Lucy is a very good marketer or communicator. I think that she should be much more willing to actually communicate. And when you're marketing somebody, you're marketing the vision, right? And I think that she could do a lot better job of communicating and marketing the vision to the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem team. Satoshi is a visionary, okay? And I truly believe that he's got to be a little crazy if he truly thinks that he's going to do what he wants to do with Shiba Inu coin. But at the same time, man, it also makes me wonder, is he a visionary or is he trying to just sell? And that part makes me a little concerned. So I think that they may have good intentions. They might just be a little young and need to work and gather some more experience and improve their craft a little bit. But the only holdup I got on Satoshi, the dude's crazy. I mean, he's out there, right? He thinks much bigger than he probably should. But... is it because he's trying to market to the Shiba Inu coin community, or is he truly trying to benefit the Shiba Inu coin community? In and out. Had a quick second. Hi, bros. Bye, bros. Peace out to the diamond-handed king. Poodle bros. Never ignore. Pudgy, man. Glad to have you in here. In and out. Just the way I like it. Are we still calling it a tweet? We need a new saying. Yeah, we do need a new saying, Caesar. I'm old school, so I really don't know if we're just Xing or if we're posting or what we're doing. Posting on X. I really don't know what to call it now. Let's see. Celestia 1492 and going down on Celestia's on Coinbase as well. All right, well maybe I will buy some on Coinbase. Peace out it. What in the world? He never goes, never mind. Back over 15 bucks. I missed my chance again. Giovanni. Guys, it is somehow we're gonna learn about crypto. Damien, man, dead serious. If you really are a true beginner, come to these live streams and ask as many questions as possible. Okay. YouTube does have a lot of great tutorial videos. YouTube also has a lot of people who post a lot of what they call like moon boy videos where everybody's always bullish all the time. I would actually look at Investopedia if you just want some definitions and some glossary type stuff. But if you've got specific questions or even general questions, but questions that you know how to ask, I would ask them in here. I'm more than happy and more than willing to answer those questions. There's a lot of people who have basically been in every aspect of crypto, whether it's mining or NFTs. See, I'm not an NFT guy, but we got a lot of guys in NFTs here. Gaming or whatever the deal is. A lot of people in here definitely willing to help answer questions. So this is a very good place to ask them if you have them. All right, guys. Let's see. Starting to worry about a MetaMask. I hope they're not. I hope you don't have to worry about anybody, man. No ETF price on Bitcoin. No ETF price because there's no ETFs on Bitcoin. Guys, get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout outs and we are going to be back tonight. Hopefully with videos at 7 p.m. and videos at 8 p.m. I got the video out a little bit earlier. I don't know if I'm just going to let that one stand or if I'll try to get another one out before 7 o'clock. But appreciate every single one of you guys. We got a shout out to Jose, man. Pudgy saying peace out of the Diamond Handed King Poodle Bros. Never ignore. Caesar, man. See you later. John, enjoy your day. We got Luca, Tony, John, Giovanni, man. I'm going to try and get Celeste. It might come down a little further, though. Frank, man. See you later. Peace out to you, Brian Searing, Giovanni. Enjoy your Damien. Enjoy your day, man. Gary, see you later. Chris, Ripple. Chris, man, thank you very much for the green name earlier. Ripple, Gary, John, Gary. We got Pat Murphy. Gary, grow wealth. See you later, man. Adios to you, old rounder. Master, bye, bro. J-Bones, baby. Later to you as well. Brian Searing, Giovanni, Back to the Future, OTC Whale. Peace out to you, all of you guys. You know what time it is, Bobcat, bro. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.